My name is Dr. David Benversi, and I'd like to share with you one of the tips on how to avoid a permanent injury when you have an auto accident. And that tip is to be able to be aware of the 3 phases of healing that our body naturally will go through during an injury like an auto accident. That first phase is the inflammatory phase, then we have the repair phase, and lastly we have the remodel phase. Now, during the inflammation phase, our main goal is to decrease the amount of inflammation and also decrease the pain in that area, and that should be the main goal of whatever technique or use or whatever you're doing during that inflammation phase. Then when we move into the repair phase is going to be geared towards more or less increasing the range of motion and making sure that the joints are able to have all the ranges of motion that they need. So there's 3 main ranges of motion that we need to be able to address during that repair phase, which is the active, passive, and joint motion, which chiropractic is really the only profession that addresses all 3 of those ranges. And the importance of the physical medicine side of things in the repair phase is very essential, because if we don't have that, basically we're going to be left with decreased range of motion. The elasticity in those areas is not going to be where it's going to need to be, and we're also going to have more pain fibers in those areas as well. Then that leads us to the last phase, which is the remodel phase. And during this phase, it's going to be important for us to work or concentrate on strengthening the muscles and the ligaments in those areas, and also making sure we're stretching and making sure we have the range of motion or the elasticity that we need in that last remodel phase. If you've been in an auto accident and are in pain, we'd love to help. Give our office a call at 618-519-9334.